What's up guys, my name is Mako and today we're going to take a look at the Borla Atak for the 2020 Silverado 1500. Okay, so more specifically we're looking at the Atak CrateMuffler by Borla. To my understanding, Borla doesn't make an Atak exhaust specifically for the 5.3 on the 2019 or 2020, but you can buy this CrateMuffler that has the same sound. It will require some extra customizations when you go and install it, but extra adapters is nothing the shop can't do. So before I show you guys the beautiful sound of the Atak, I want to share a little bit of the struggles I went through, because like most of you guys, if you're watching this, you probably have looked around at ways to obtaining different sound from the truck. I went through the same struggles. I found cheap adjustments I can make to the current stock muffler to try to get a better sound. As we know by now, I ended up buying the Atak, so you know that I wasn't happy with it. But I want to show you guys what you can do to change the sound without purchasing the actual exhaust. If you're not interested in hearing any of this, you can welcome to skip forward till you get to actual sound of the Atak. But for those that want to know, here's a couple pictures and I'll try to describe as we go what I ended up doing. It's more of a temporary fix just to hear what it sounds like, but you'll get the idea. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna move on to the Atak. We're gonna go through the same process in order to get to the sound I actually like. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like without making modifications. And then I'm gonna show you the ultimate result on what I like and what I have right now. So far, I'm very happy with it. It doesn't create any drone or any helicopter sounds inside the cab like some people have mentioned in other videos. No changes at all when you're on the highway actually, and it doesn't change my fuel consumption. Nothing at all has changed other than the sound on the outside of the vehicle. You will hear it if you're in the cab. If you step on it, if you want to hear it, you will. But for the most part, it's just quiet when the windows are up.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so that was it. It was a quick video. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about the sound. If you have any questions or if you have any concerns or anything you want to add up to it, feel free to put them in the comments below. I will try to answer all of them if I can, if I know the answers. But aside from that, I'm extremely happy with it. Let me know what you think.